Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites, tools, safety, and a clear workspace. This saves time and prevents mistakes. First, power down and unplug the device, then wait 30 seconds to let capacitors discharge. Once done, use your phone to photograph cable routing and connector positions so you can reverse the process. Make sure to label any similar parts. Finally, test continuity with a multimeter on suspect components. This identifies whether a part is simply loose or truly failed. You now move into focused diagnostics. This is where the repair either resolves or needs a deeper plan. Start by checking continuity, DC voltages, and component resistances so you clearly know which subsystem is out of spec. Next, remove the suspect module carefully and inspect for burn marks, cracked solder joints, or swollen components. These visual cues explain why failures occur. If measurements point to a bad part, swap it with a known good module, or replace the fuse using the exact rating to restore proper operation. You finish by reassembling in reverse order, using your photos and labels to ensure every connector returns to its original spot. Make sure screws are snug but not over-tightened. Once done, power up slowly and observe for proper indicators, odd noises, or excessive heat. This confirms success or reveals residual issues. If problems persist, isolate subsystems by disconnecting non-essential parts to narrow the fault path. This targeted approach saves time and prevents swapping good components unnecessarily.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.